Okay, so have a read through this next question and then I will go through the answer. So this question says, a supermarket receives a delivery of 235 cases of tins of beans. Each case contains 24 tins. How many tins of beans does the supermarket receive altogether? Okay, so we're going to have to multiply the number of cases by the amount in each case. So it's 5,640 tins. Okay, the next one is a little bit more tricky. It says 5% of the tins were damaged. These were thrown away. The supermarket knows that it sells on average 250 tins of beans in a day. How many days will the delivery of beans last before a new consignment is needed? Okay, there's a lot of information there. So the first thing we need to do is take away this 5% of damaged tins. So we've got 5,640 tins. Okay, if 5% are damaged, we need to work out 5% of this number. I know 10% is going to be 564. I've just divided it by 10. So for 5% of that number, I'm just going to have to half the 564, which is 282. So 282 tins are going to have to be thrown away. It says the supermarket knows that it sells on average 250 tins of beans in a day. How many days will the delivery of beans last before a new consignment is needed? So we need to know how many tins have we got left. So I'm going to work out 5,358. Okay, 250 tins in a day, so we need to divide this number by 250. So 5,358 divided by 250. Okay, and I'm going to use a chunking method. That's going to give me 108 left over. This last one is smaller than the 250, so I'm going to stop there. If I just have a look at my numbers, so I've got 10 lots of 250, another 10, and one lot of 250. So in total, I have got 21 lots of 250. Okay, so they have about 21 days worth of tins before they will need to have a new consignment. That was quite a long question, but it does cover quite a lot of different methods. So try these ones for yourself. I'm going to go through all of the questions so you can see them and work through them in your own time. And then if you want to know the answers to any of them, at the end I'm going to go back and answer each of these questions for you. Question 2. Question 3. Question 4 and 5. Question 6. Question 7 and 8.